When you arrive on campus, you will see at the entrance and exit pay signs, which will direct you. There are 3 ways to pay: text to pay, QR codes, and pay stations. And when you start a parking session, you'll want to begin with entering your plate number, and optionally, you can put your phone number, which will give you a reminder and send a receipt. Below, you will see the validation option, which you can enter the code that was given to you prior. You should see the discounted rate. After that, make sure to hit apply, which should drop the price down to 0. If you do not have a cell phone, click extend on the pay station. Use the same debit or credit card. Select the new rate and click extend. And if you are at one campus and you've already paid and you plan to go to the next, you'll need to make sure to start an active session when you get to the next campus. And there is a grace period. It will be noted on the signage. At Portland campus, there is a 30-minute grace period upon arrival, and the Gorham campus, 1 hour.